Hello everyone, welcome to my channel HD Orion. We are studying accounting for partnership firms from T.S. Gerewal's textbook for class 12th. At present we are in chapter 5, admission of a partner, and we will discuss treatment of goodwill. When premium for goodwill brought by the new partner is withdrawn by old partners fully or partly. But before this, let us discuss a small piece of treatment of goodwill when premium for goodwill is brought by the new partner in kind. So premium for goodwill brought in kind means when goodwill is brought in some assets or any other material but not in cash. It is said that goodwill is brought in kind. Let us discuss question number 28. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. On 1st April 2020, they admit Z as a partner for 1/4 share in the profits. Z contributed following assets towards his capital and for his share of goodwill: stock rupees 60,000, debtors rupees 80,000, land rupees 1 lakh, plant and machinery rupees 40,000. On the date of admission of Z, the goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 6 lakh. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of the firm on Z's admission. So let us see how to pass the journal entry for this. So solution 28. On the date of admission of Z, the goodwill of the firm was valued rupees 6 lakh and the new partner is bringing stock, debtor, land and plant and machinery. So stock account debited rupees 60,000, then debtors account debited rupees 80,000, then land account debited rupees 1 lakh and machinery account debited rupees 40,000. And that is all to Z's capital and to premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill. Now the question says that the firm's goodwill is rupees 6 lakh and Z's portion is 1/4. So how much will he bring? 6 lakhs 1/4, that is equal to 1,50,000. So premium for goodwill is 1,50,000 and the balancing amount is the amount of capital. So what is it? 1,30,000. This is the balancing figure. So being capital plus goodwill brought by Z in kind, not in cash but in kind. Now we will distribute the premium for goodwill to the partners in their sacrificing ratio. So premium for goodwill account debited, account debited to both the partners, which is X and Y. X capital account and to Y's capital account. 1,50,000 in their sacrificing ratio, which is 3:2. So 90,000 and 60,000. Old partners in sacrificing ratio, that is 3:2. That's the answer. Now let us discuss when premium for goodwill is brought in by new partner and is withdrawn by old partners fully or partly. See question number 29. A and B are partners in a business sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1/3 and 2/3. On 1st April 2020, their capitals were rupees 8,000 and rupees 10,000 respectively. On that date, they admitted C in partnership and gave him 1/4 share in the future profits. C brings rupees 8,000 as his capital and rupees 6,000 as goodwill. The amount of goodwill is withdrawn by old partners in cash. Pass the journal entries and show the capital accounts of all the partners. Calculate proportion in which partners would share profits and losses in future. So in this particular question, we have to show the treatment of goodwill but also calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Let us see the solution. So question number 29, A is to B is equal to 1/3 is to 2/3, that is equal to 1 is to 2. And they have admitted a new partner C whose profit sharing ratio is 1/4. So after giving 1/4 portion to the new partner, remaining is 1 minus 1/4, that is equal to 3/4. This 3/4 will be given to A and B in the ratio 1 is to 2. So new ratio for A is equal to 3/4 into 1/3. For B it is equal to 3/4 into 2/3. And C is equal to 1/4. So here it is 3/12, here it is 6/12, and in order to make the denominator 12, we have to multiply and divide by 3, that is equal to 3/12. So our new ratio is equal to 3 is to 6 is to 3, or we can say 1 is to 2 is to 1. Now from this much information, it is clear that their sacrificing ratio is also 1 is to 2. Let us see it. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. For A, it is equal to old ratio is 1/3 and new ratio is 1/4. And for B, old ratio is 2/3 and new ratio is 2/4. So LCM is 12. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1/12. Here also LCM is 12. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2/12. So sacrificing ratio is 1 is to 2. Now let us see the journal entry. So cash account debited to C's capital account and to premium for goodwill. Now 8,000 is capital and 6,000 is premium for goodwill, total 14,000. Being capital plus premium brought by new partner C. Now we will distribute this premium for goodwill in sacrificing ratio. Premium for goodwill account debited to A's capital account and to B's capital account. And the sacrificing ratio here, sacrificing ratio is equal to 1 is to 2. So 6,000 will be broken in 1 is to 2, then A will get 2,000 and for B it is 4,000. Being goodwill to old partners in sacrificing ratio, which is 1 is to 2. Now the question says that whatever portion of goodwill the old partners have received in their sacrificing ratio, that is fully and completely withdrawn by them from the firm. So we will add one more entry here. So it will be A's capital account debited, B's capital account debited to cash. Full, whatever A has received, he has withdrawn through cash. So being goodwill withdrawn. This is the solution. Now we will prepare partner's capital account. So let us see partner's capital account. By balance brought down, A is 8,000 and B 10,000 and C dash. Now by cash, C is bringing his portion of capital, so 8,000 is the capital. Now by premium for goodwill, $2,000 and $4,000, and it is withdrawn by partners. So to cash, $2,000 and $4,000. So to balance close down. $10,000 minus 2,000 is 8,000. Then here 14,000. 14,000 minus 4,000 is 10,000. Here it is 8,000. Here also 8,000. That is the answer. Let us see question number 30. A and B were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted C as a new partner for 3/7 share in the profit, and the new profit sharing ratio will be 2:2:3. C brought rupees 2 lakh as his capital and rupees 1,50,000 as premium for goodwill. Half of their share of premium was withdrawn by A and B from the firm. Calculate sacrificing ratio and pass necessary journal entries for the above transactions in the books of the firm. So old ratio is given, new ratio is given. We will calculate the sacrificing ratio and 3 journal entries we will pass. Let us see. Let us see solution. So A is to B is equal to 3:2, and A is to B is to C is also given 2:2:3. Now we know that sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Therefore for A, old ratio is 3/5 minus new ratio is 2/7, and for B 2/5 minus 2/7. Now LCM will be 35. 21 minus 10, that is equal to 11/35. Here also LCM will be 35. 14 minus 10, that is equal to 4/35. So sacrificing ratio is equal to 11:4. Now let us see the journal entry. So the journal entry is cash account debited to C's capital account and to premium for goodwill. ₹2,00,000 is his capital and 1,50,000 is the premium for goodwill. So total cash brought is 3,50,000. by C. Now this premium will be distributed in sacrificing ratio to old partners. A's capital account and to B's capital account. being goodwill paid to old partners in sacrificing ratio, which is 11:4. So 1,50,000, 1,10,000 and 40,000. Then it says that half of the share of premium was withdrawn by A and B. So half the money received as a premium will be withdrawn by partner A and B. For that, cash account debited to A's capital account? Not. It will be A's capital account debited B's capital account also debited to cash. So half, 1,10,000's half is 55,000 and 40,000's half is 20,000 and here 75,000, being half goodwill withdrawn. That's the solution. Now let us see the next topic, when only part of premium for goodwill is brought by new partner in cash. It means only a portion of goodwill is brought in cash and the remaining goodwill is not brought by the new partner. Suppose there is a goodwill of rupees 50,000 to be brought by the new partner. So out of 50,000 only 30,000 is brought and 20,000 is not brought. So what will be the journal entry for that in that case? So let us see question number 31. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. They admit C for 1/4 share in the profits. C brings in rupees 30,000 for his capital and rupees 8,000 out of his capital of rupees 10,000 for goodwill. So C was supposed to bring rupees 10,000 for goodwill, but out of 10,000 he could only manage to bring rupees 8,000. Before admission, goodwill existed in the books at rupees 18,000. So this is an old existing goodwill, so we will write off in old ratio. Pass journal entries to give effect to the above arrangement. Let us see the journal entry for this. So cash account debited to C's capital account and to premium for goodwill. And 30,000 is the capital and 8,000 he is bringing out of 10,000. So 38,000 cash brought, being capital plus premium brought by C. Now this premium will be distributed and 2,000 less which the new partner has failed to bring, that will also be given to the old partners in sacrificing ratio. So premium for goodwill account debited and 8,000, but the goodwill was for 10,000, so remaining 2,000 will come from the new partner's capital account, that is C's capital account. And if the capital account is fixed, then we will write current account to A's capital account and to B's capital account. And in this case our old ratio is our sacrificing ratio, so we will give this, being goodwill paid in sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio, that is 2:1. So we will break it. 6,667 and 3333. Now that is not enough. There is an existing goodwill in the books, so we will write off in old ratio. So A's capital account debited, B's capital also debited to goodwill. It is 18,000 goodwill is, so 12,000 A will bear and 6,000 B will bear, being old goodwill written off. Written off in old ratio. That's the solution. Now let us see the last question of the video, because if I proceed further, then it will be too lengthy a video, so I will stop here after this question. Question number 32. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C as a partner in the firm for 1/4 share in the profits, which he takes 1/6 from A and 1/12 from B. So this is our sacrificing ratio. 1/6 is to 1/12. If you convert it, then it will be 2:1. Now C brings 60% of his share of firm's goodwill. Now the goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 1 lakh. Pass necessary journal entries to record this agreement. Now firm's goodwill is rupees 1 lakh and C's portion is 1/4. So 1/4 of 1 lakh is 25,000. Out of 25,000, C is able to bring only 60% of it. So only 15,000 rupees he will bring as goodwill, and 10,000 will be adjusted from his capital account by debiting the capital account of C. Let us see the solution. So cash account debited, to premium for goodwill. How much is he bringing? Out of 1 lakh, C was supposed to bring 1/4 because his portion is 1/4. And from that also he is bringing 60%. So he could bring only 15,000 as goodwill. So 15,000. Out of 25,000, he could bring only 15,000, being goodwill brought by C. Now we will pay entire goodwill 25,000 to old partners in sacrificing ratio. So premium for goodwill account debited 15,000 and remaining 10,000 will be from C's capital account. To A's capital account and to B's capital account. Being premium for goodwill paid to old partners in sacrificing ratio. So what is the sacrificing ratio? It is said 1/6 is to 1/12. So if you solve this, you will get 2:1. So this 25,000 will be divided in 2:1. So it will be 8,333 and 16,667. That is the solution. I hope you are understanding the lessons well. If you are having any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.